Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add base network to Metamask app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in. And now once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on the screen, where you can see the Ethereum main network at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option, and now you can see the add network at the bottom of the screen. So simply select that option, and now you can see the base option at the fourth. And don't forget, you'll find the add option at the right side. So simply tap on that option and now select confirm, and now finally click on switch to network, and yeah, you'll be able to add base network to Metamask successfully. So basically this is how you can add base network to Metamask app, and if still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.